Класс английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 28, часть 1. Страница 61, 62, 63. English. Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 28. Part number 1. Page number 61, 62, 63. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Urok, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat it. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 61. 61. Prepositions of time. Предлоги времени. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. On day. At time. At 7 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, at the afternoon, at night. I have a shower in the morning. Я принимаю душ утром. I visit my grandma on Fridays. Я навещаю бабушку в пятницу. I go to school at 9 o'clock. Я хожу в школу в 9 часов. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and complete the text. Use on, in, at. Прочитай и закончи текст. Используй on, in, at. Saturday is my favorite day. On Saturdays, I get up at 10 o'clock in the morning and I have breakfast. Then I go to the park and play with my friends. At 1 o'clock, I have lunch, and in the afternoon, I watch TV. In the evening, I go to the cinema with my friends. I go to bed at 10 o'clock at night. The answer: on, at, in, at. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 62 and 63. 62, 63. Space 3. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Слушай и читай диалог. Look at the mirror. The moon looks so beautiful. Wow, we're in a spaceship. Hi, I'm Andy. I'm an astronaut. I fly into space. I go to a different planet every week. Do you cook in here? Yes, I do. Everything in here. I even do my shopping. Do you know any aliens? Of course I do. Look, that's XL. Who's XL? Wait and see. Planet rocks. Here we come. Later that day. XL is a famous rock star. He sings and plays the guitar. Wow, a space concert. Come on, let's go and meet him. You're fantastic. How often do you play in concert? Twice a week. You're a great dancer. Thanks, I always dance when I sing. I've got a great body. I go to the gym every morning. It's 11:30. Time to go. Come again soon. Bye. Dancer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and answer the questions. Does Andy know any aliens? Прочитай диалог заново и ответь на вопросы. Number 1. Энди знает каких-либо пришельцев? Yes, he does. He knows Excel. Number 2. Does Excel play the piano? Number 2. Excel играет на пианино? No, he doesn't. He plays the guitar. Sentence number 3. Does he dance when he sings? Он танцует, когда поет? Yes, he does. He always dances when he sings. Number 4. Does he go to the gym in the morning? Он ходит в спортивный зал утром? Yes, he does. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.